Mutton Trotters soup recipe, or the paya shorba, is a delicious soup made with the lamb trotters. Make your winter even more special, cozy, and warm with a bowl of healthy and flavorful mutton paya soup. Paya is made with flavorful spices. It is slow cooked on low heat for hours, usually overnight. However, it is nowadays mostly cooked in a pressure cooker. Hello everyone! Today in this video you will learn how to make paya at home. This is so easy homemade paya soup recipe. It is really popular in Pakistan and India. So in Farsi we call it pacha, in Punjabi they call it chote pave, in English they call it trotters or lamb feet. It is like a stew and basically it's a bone broth and it's super healthy. It has a lot of health benefits and it's tastiest and healthiest. So I am so excited to show you guys this recipe. Let's get started. Be sure to clean the mutton trotters really well, scraping each piece separately, cut in between the two hooves and remove the glands and discard them. Then rinse with water. The paya are cleaned of hair and cooked over flame by the butcher itself. At least, and that is how we get over here in Canada. But if not, then remove any remaining hair from the trotters and grill it over low flame. Add 5 medium onions. The more onions, the better flavor. Meanwhile, heat oil in a large pot. Add the sliced onions and cook until translucent. Then throw in the whole spices like cloves, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, then bay leaves. Mix well and cook for a minute. Then add the cleaned lamb paya on high heat. Fry for 4 minutes to seal the paya. Add 2 tablespoons water, not to burn the spices. Then add the remaining spices like salt, ginger, garlic, coriander, turmeric, cumin powder, paya spice mix. Then mix everything well. Add water and then cover with the lid. Cook on low heat for 9 to 10 hours. For the garnishing, chop the cilantro, ginger, and some lemon. Set aside. When the paya is done, check for the salt and the tenderness. They should be soft and should fall off the bone when handled, but it's still not too soft to be mushy. If you overcook them, the bones become softer too, which is not enjoyable. When done, remove the lid, transfer to a serving bowl, serve them hot with ginger juliennes, chopped cilantro, and fresh homemade butter naan. As for the consistency, you could either reduce it and have it as thick gravy or make it soupy. The best result of mutton trotters is that your fingers start to stick with each other. You should definitely try this recipe this winter. Normally, the mutton paya soup is not as clear as other soups. It is a little thicker in consistency. I love making this recipe as it was so easy to put all the spices together, and you leave it alone to boil and it brings all the flavors. You can eat this with fresh naan or rice as you wish. Please leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. It will help my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Until next one, bye bye.